and what's 43 plus
Louder. So this is her fundraising. Louder, say thank you.
Thank you,
Who are the people that support you?
my tito and titas.
Ninong and Ninang, friends and family. Thank you so much for your support. This is her fall fundraising, Girl Scout fundraising. I think yeah, that goes to Auntie Nanette. We have a whole cashew, dill pickle, hot crunch, Cajun. I don't know who did that. They have a dark chocolate penguin. I don't know if I got the dark chocolate penguin. No, don't shake it. Don't shake it. So these are her.
English peanut butter.
This is
taffy.
the mint
This is English.
treasures.
This is English peanut
Butter
butter
toffee.
taffy. What
Yeah.
else is in here?
So thank you everyone for your support. She almost got the goal, but it is what it is. But thank you for your support, everyone. Thank you so much. I think the activity for this goes to their YMCA overnight.
What's that?
I don't remember. Well, we have the list of your activities.
Pink.
So soon coming up is cookies.
And when we do the when we sing our song at the end, which we usually do, we do say this at the end.
Make new friends. Yes,
And
it's
after
not.
we say keep the old one.
Keep the old one.
Yeah.
You don't dump the old one. Okay. Say thank you again.
Thank you.
Love you all.